Hello guys, I am on the way to film one of my friend's cars. It's been, I don't know, it's been two different colors or whatever the case might be, but he's doing a whole new build on this one. And I forgot the model number. I mean, not the model number, but I forgot the year that was made or whatever. I do know it's a Impala. I don't know if it's a 62, 63, or 64, but it's one of the two. So I'm gonna take you guys along and let you see it. I'm gonna document this for him and for me too. This is more content for me, but I'm gonna let you guys check it out. So stay tuned. My boy OG in here.
What's up, y'all? West Side on my end. Memphis 10 in the house. I'm
gonna let him tell y'all about his car, but we're gonna film the seats right now. I'll let you check that out.
Yeah, y'all check out this leather and this sage green trim. With the OG status put in there. Everything I do, we got my name tatted on it. You know, I got the buckskin green in the center. The peanut butter leather. This how I'm coming with it. This is gonna be the resurrection of the 6.2. And it's just the first step here. Got the interior done. Got my mold and stuff laid out. Y'all gonna check that out in a few minutes. But this is my front seats. This is gonna be my console for the back seat. There ain't nobody gonna be back there, so I ain't gotta worry about that there, but it's just gonna be a little relaxation thing going on. I got my door panels done over here. This my tissue box for some of y'all suckers out there that gonna be crying when y'all see this new thing hit the street, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna have plenty of Kleenex in there for you. But these are my dash pads going on my dashboard. I'm gonna show y'all what that dashboard be like in a few minutes. Yeah, I'm putting in a little work myself. So getting all that done, all that taken care of, y'all just looking at the new. You know, like they said, out with the old, in with the new. OG still riding, West Side for life. You know what I'm saying? South Memphis in effect, you know, this is what it's gonna be like. Now y'all got a glimpse of what that interior gonna look like. Let me take y'all outside and see what I'm playing. See the interior now, I'm gonna show y'all the project that I'm working on. Some of y'all might remember my 6.2 when it was burgundy with the gold stripe. I got rid of that. I changed it. I went California style with it. I put that West Coast color to it. I had that gold metallic, gold metal flake paint put in. I had my own pinstriping done. Did it myself, me and a partner of mine. Had the burgundy wine top, but this is what it look like now. It's been sitting up for a while. I ain't had no garage to keep it in, so a lot of weather got to it. So, and plus the guy who did it did my paint job, but we ain't gonna worry about that. Like I said, out with the old, in with the new, and this is the new right here. First, we're gonna give y'all a glimpse of this motor. I ain't gonna tell you how many horses it's kicking, just know it's gonna kick when it hit the street. And I'm gonna crank it up and just give y'all a glimpse of that too in a few minutes. Right now, I just want y'all to see what type of shape it in, and so y'all see the resurrection of the 6.2. Y'all gonna know where I came from. What that dashboard gonna look like with that monument green put on there. That green trimming gonna be on there. I got all my door panels and everything worked out. You saw the interior. But right now, I just laid my insulation in the floor. I'm finna dig out this dashboard and clean it up real good, and I'm gonna paint it just like that. I'm gonna paint the rear dash like I did the front dash. As you see, even though it's old, it's still flaking. It's still flaking. That's just that West Coast flavor in there. But back here in the trunk, I'm still be doing damage. I got the Chrome Pro Hopper pumps. I got 6 batteries, and that green y'all see right there on that bracket. That's the color I'm coming with, so y'all gonna know what that outside gonna look like real soon. That's that monument green, gonna be green with envy. Everything still work, hydraulics still pumping. I'm gonna hook them up. I'm gonna give y'all a little glare with that too, let you know ain't nothing fell off. Ain't no stalling, man. Ain't no stalling. None whatsoever. One thing about low ride, you gotta make sure that hard right before you do anything else. Everything gonna be gold plated, baby. Get a good look at it. That monument green with them flakes in it, that gold, them gold emblems gonna be an emblem. just want y'all to know one little added thing I added to this thing. I got that digital dash in there too. This breaks everything. Everything works. As y'all see. Smile now, cry later. I got some tissue for you. Guarantee. When the paint job get on here, that's all I'm waiting on now. I'm gonna finish up this dashboard. I'm gonna finish up this rear dick. My boy Corey gonna give y'all a little more. When I call him, he gonna send y'all a little more. He gonna send y'all a little more, let y'all know what's coming. When the video get out, y'all know what I'm talking about. It's west side on my side. I don't know what y'all think. Motherfucker gonna sit on top of that green. Yeah, that's a carpet there. Oh shit, I can't wait. That's what it's supposed to look like right there.
Yeah, he drew this. You drew this yourself, right?
Yeah. That's what it supposed to look. What I did, I drew it and printed it out.
Right.
Printed it out, made some copies. Then I made some small copies.
Still look good though.
And I add color to it. But this really what the color was gonna look like that there.
And the gold in those same spots.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, I got all that done.
Yeah.
I got all that done. I'm waiting on that to come back. This the blueprint. Right, yeah, I got another project. Y'all see my 6 dudes, the Resurrection finna come. But I got another project. It's already in the paint shop. Corey didn't get a chance to shine on it. But when it come out, he gonna get first tee of a live video. Me not just working on it, but rolling in it. And I'm gonna show y'all how that paint job turned out. Interior and all. You think this is bad? Check out that other one I got. For sure. It's West Side for life on me, baby. This ain't no game. That west side on me, man. I might have been born in Memphis, but I was raised in Cali. Compton, Kelly Park, baby, don't forget it. Y'all heard it from me first. Told you where I'm from. I represent where I'm from, and I'm nutty as they come. Dig that.
I gotta check this bike out.
I'm gonna order a few more things for this here, too.
For the bike?
Yep. So once I bring this out, have a little more glare and flare to it.
I had like stuff from your other colors.
Yeah. Yeah, I had Chico made these pads when I had got this bike. So yeah, that's what that spring for when you ride.
I ain't know that.
Yep, like when you hop it, you just get that little sound. Ain't no friction on it, see that?
Yep.
That's what this low rider game is about.
Y'all customize everything, huh?
Every chance we get.